Want to showcase your designs in a fresh, original way? Whether you're an artist, a brand, or selling your own decks, this After Effects template lets you present your graphics on fully animated skateboards. Create eye-catching visuals, dynamic loops, or high-quality stills, all in just a few clicks. Welcome to the tutorial, where I'll show you the features of this template that lets you showcase your artwork on animated skateboards. To place your design on the skateboard deck, go to the Project panel in After Effects. Expand the One Edit Comps folder and double-click on the Deck Placeholder composition. Open your system's file manager and drag your artwork onto the timeline. You can use an image, a video, or even combine different elements into a collage. It's entirely up to you. When you're done, go back to the final composition. In the next step, we'll replace the background behind the skateboard. To do this, open the Background Placeholder composition. Just like before, drag your image or video onto the timeline. Once finished, return to the final composition to see the result. Now let's explore the additional settings for our skateboard. In the final composition, click on Deck Edit Comp in the timeline. Then go to the Properties panel. The first setting, Animation Type, is a drop-down menu with 4 animations you can choose from. Tilting, a subtle tilting movement of the skateboard. Turnable, a full 360-degree rotation of the skateboard. Showcase, a 3-shot sequence featuring your skateboard from different angles. Flip to detail, a close-up animation with a kickflip style transition. Each animation is looped, so you can use them as seamless, never-ending GIFs on your website. The next setting controls the visibility of the trucks. Turning it off lets you showcase your design on the deck only, without any trucks. If you wish, you can also match the truck colors to your graphic. Base plate color controls the color of the truck's base plate. Hanger color changes the color of the truck's hanger, the axle section, and wheels color sets the color of the wheels. The 360-degree rotation and flip to detail animations also reveal the grip side of the skateboard. If you want, you can place your own design there as well. To do this, open the Grip Placeholder composition and drag your image, e.g., a logo, from your file manager onto the timeline. Once finished, return to the final composition to see the result. If you are using the deck-only version, your logo will appear on the raw wooden texture of the deck. The Board Tint setting controls the color of the top layer. For the deck-only version, this is the natural wood tint. And for the version with trucks, it changes the grip color of the skateboard. Additionally, if needed, you can set a solid background for the skateboard without shadows. Useful if you want it to match the background color of your website, for example. Expand the background setting and select Solid Color. Below, you can adjust the background color as needed. The color settings are shared across all animation types, so you can later render any animation you want with your graphics and your chosen truck and wheel colors. Additionally, you're not limited to videos. This template is also perfect for rendering single still images with your designs. It's ideal for showcasing your skateboards on a website, or simply for presenting your artwork in a unique and eye-catching way. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.